Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: iCloud Calendar enabled and Notion open to the target page. Once done, choose your sync method. Notion accepts iCal feeds for one-way imports, while two-way requires a connector. Next, open Apple Calendar on Mac OS or iCloud. Com and locate the calendar you'll publish. Make sure that Calendar is allowed for public or shareable links. Then copy the calendar's iCal URL. You'll use it in Notion or in a third-party sync tool to link events. Next, add the iCal into Notion. Insert an embed block and paste the calendar URL to display events. This gives immediate read-only visibility. If you need editable events inside Notion, create a calendar-style database and map properties like title, start, end, and notes. To push changes back to Apple Calendar, set up a third-party automation. Authenticate both accounts, map fields between Notion and Apple Calendar, and schedule triggers. Make sure you test a single event first to verify correct mapping and timing. To finish, run through end-to-end tests. Create an event in Apple Calendar and confirm it appears in Notion, then modify from the other side if two-way is set. Once done, adjust property mappings, time zone settings, and recurring event handling so entries remain accurate. If things go wrong, first verify the iCal URL is public and using HTTPS, then check third-party connector logs for authentication or rate limit errors. Make sure sync intervals are appropriate and reauthorize services if events stop updating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.